So good afternoon, children. In previous class, we had discussed about the speed, the different types of speed and to measure. We discussed about the simple pendulum even and how we can calculate the time period of a pendulum. Next comes the units of time and speed. So time, the basic unit of time is second. So you may underline everyone. You know other units of time are also there like hour, minutes. But the basic unit, if I'm talking about, that is a second. This is a basic unit, or you can say this is a SI unit of time that is known as a second. And similarly, the basic unit of speed is meter per second. And I hope each one of you know the formula of speed. Speed equals to distance upon time. Speed equals to distance upon time. And let me tell you, we can calculate the units from here only. Standard unit of distance is meter. Okay, and standard unit of time is second. So we can say that the standard unit of speed is meter per second. Okay, standard unit of speed is meter per second. I am talking about the standard units which is used to measure all over the world. Okay, other units are also there, like if I am measuring the distance in kilometers and time in hours, then the unit
Ma'am,
will
your
be,
voice is not coming.
then the units of speed will be kilometer
Other are
per
kilometer
per hour, minute, meter per minute भी हो सकते हैं units. So means different units can be there. In these type of questions, you just have to take care because of units. If the question is there, what is the basic unit of speed, your answer will be meter per second. Okay, and if it has been asked that what is the basic unit of time, it is second. Basic unit of distance is meter. Rest are the other units of the
Ma'am, basic unit of speed is a distance. Ma'am, meter per second.
So this is the basic unit I'm talking about, SI units. Rest, I think you know how to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. And if it has been asked that per minute you have to write down, then you can also calculate. You know, 1 minute, how many seconds?
60.
60. In the same way, if you are, it is said that change hours into seconds, then how you can do 60 into 60? Easily you can do. तो 3600 से अगर आप multiply करेंगे, divide करेंगे, that depends upon the question. We'll do the practice for it, only then we can do. Okay. So any of the thing, this formula, many of the questions will be based on this formula, that is speed equals to distance upon time. If two of the things are given to you, you can find out the third very easily. Okay. Any two, speed, distance, time. अगर हमारे पास दो चीजें दे रखी है तो third we can find and we can use any of the formula. Okay. Let's. Can I have that? What will be the formula of distance? Distance is equal to. Distance का formula क्या हो जाएगा?
Speed upon time.
Distance is equal to
speed multiplied by time.
Yes, it will be speed multiplied by time. And other will be, if I am going to find out time, then what will be the formula for time?
Distance upon speed.
Distance upon speed. Okay. And speed you already know. Kindly write down those who are having the confusion in it. Okay. So anything, distance we can find if we are having this speed into time. Time we can find if it is distance and speed is given, and speed we can find if distance and time is given. Okay. So it's very important. And children, moreover, let me tell you one thing, we have to take care of the units also. Okay, we have to take care of units. Means if we need to change the units, then we have to. Suppose your distance is given in kilometers and time is in second. So kindly change that time into hours first of all. Okay, because kilometer per hour we consider and meter per second, that is the smallest unit we consider. Okay, no problem. I'll give you the practice for this. Children, today one assignment has been uploaded of chapter 13 and misunderstood words also. If anybody is left with it, you can do. Okay, next, Sharvil Bhatt. Read this paragraph. And one thing more, children, let me tell you, whenever we are writing the units, like meter per second, we never write in a plural form. Okay, we always write in a singular form. Like I am writing hours. So I will never write in the plural form, always in a singular form. It's very, very important. Okay. So whenever, for example, if we write 50 kilometer, so we will write 50 kilometer only. We are not writing that 50 kilometers or 8 centimeters. Never. We write only centimeter. चाहे वो आपका 50 है, either it is 100, either 500. The units will always be in a singular form. Okay, Shar, we'll continue with this blue box. Let's read
Yes,
about
ma'am. There is an interesting story about the discovery that the time period of a given pendulum is constant. You might have heard the name of the famous scientist Galileo Galilei, 1564 to 1642. It is said that once Galileo was sitting in a church, he noticed that a lamp suspended from the ceiling with a chain was moving slowly from one side to the other. He was surprised to find that his pulse beat the same number of times during the interval in which the lamp completed one oscillation. Galileo experimented with various pendulums to verify his observation. He found that a pendulum of a given length takes always the same time to complete one oscillation. This observation led to the development of pendulum clocks. Winding clocks and wristwatches were refinements of the pendulum clocks.
Okay, beta, thank you. So different types of, you may underline the name of the scientist. Who were the scientist who has discovered the simple pendulum? He first observed that from a ceiling fan, a chain was moving slowly from one side to another. So from there, he has got an idea about it. And afterwards, that led to a wonderful discovery of simple pendulum, and that concept was used in the clocks and wristwatches. Okay, so Galileo was a scientist who first of all gave this concept. Next, children, let's move to the next part. Different units, already I had discussed that different units of time are used here depending on the need. For example, it is convenient to express your age in the days or hours. Similarly, we will not be express it in years, the time taken by cover the distance. With that is not expressed in the years. Obviously, that is taken into the minutes or hours. So that depends that what time and how much time you are measuring. We take that particular unit. Next is, yes, Avika, read it. This blue box.
Okay, ma'am. The smallest time interval that can be measured with commonly available clocks and watches is 1 second. However, now special clocks are available that can measure time intervals smaller than a second. Some of these clocks can measure time intervals as small as 1 millionth or even 1 billionth of a second. You might have heard the terms like microsecond and nanosecond. 1 microsecond is 1 millionth of a second. A nanosecond is 1 billionth of a second. Clocks that measure such small time intervals are used for scientific research. The time measuring devices used in sports can measure time intervals that are 1/10 or 1/100 of a second. On the other hand, times of historical events are stated in terms of centuries or millions. The ages of stars and planets are often expressed in billions of years. Can you imagine the range of time interval that we have to deal with?
Okay, beta. So already, I think you must be knowing about the second. Second is the smallest unit of time. But no, children, if you have seen the matches and etc., in that less than second we can also measure. Okay, 1 millionth and billionth of a second is there. The smallest part of that second that can be easily measured. So already here few information has been given that 1 microsecond and a nanosecond is 1 millionth of a second. Now you can imagine how smaller it will be. And nanosecond is 1 billionth of a second, means think that how much small that part of second is. Okay. So we need to take care of this. And next we will be talking about the speed. That what is the measuring speed? Let's discuss about it. A very simple example has been given here. And you can see first of all that a sand clock, water clock and sundial at Jantar Mantar you must have visited. Now here what happens measuring the speed of a ball. A very simple activity has been given here that when you throw a ball across the line and a point when it comes to a rest. So let's measure its length at what time it has reached. So we can complete this table 13.3 where what has been written, distance moved by a ball, how much time is taken, and then we can find out the speed. Simply as we have already discussed that the speed of an object can be measured if we are having a distance and time. Okay, if we are having a distance and time, then we can measure the speed of an object, that is either in the meter per second, either is in kilometer per second. Okay, children. So here, see, we are having one formula of taking out the time. We can calculate the time that is equal to distance upon speed. Okay, 13.1, 13.4 table. Just see to it, and I'm giving you work to complete this table. Kindly change it into meter per second. This speed, like speed of cheetah, is 112 kilometers per hour. Rabbit, 56 kilometer per hour. Squirrel, 19 kilometer per hour. We need to change it into meter per second. So how we can change? First of all, kilometer will be changed into meters by multiplying by 1000. And how we can change R into speed? That will be 60 by 60. So we need to divide by 60 into 60, means from R to minute 30 and then R to seconds. Sorry, R to minute and then minute to seconds we need to change. I hope this is clear to you how we need to change. Multiply by 1000 and divide by 3600. 3600 or you can say 60 into 60. Kindly do
Ma'am,
for any...
the speed of this peregrine falcon is 53.33.
53.33. Okay. If you have solved it. 50?
Yes, ma'am, I solved it.
53.33. Okay. So what will be your answer? What are the units for it?
Ma'am, MS.
MS nahi bolo. Okay, if you will be saying MS, it will be wrong. Meter per second, because there is
Meter
a
per
slash
second.
between it. Slash shows that it is in division. Meter per second. I need any one of you to change the others also, because it needs a practice. Kilometer per hour to meter per second, if we are changing, just set in your mind. Because the reverse can also be there. You may be asked that change meter per second to kilometer per hour. ये भी हो सकता है. ठीक है, kindly do any one of it. From second to 9, find the speed of any of the object from kilometer per hour to meter per second. Kindly do it fast, better. Okay, which you are saying, Avika? Second one.
Answer is yes.
Second one for cheetah, you have calculate. It will be in
Yes, ma'am.
points. Yes, give the
Ma'am,
answer.
yes. Ma'am, 31.11 meter per second.
Children, in this way, okay, who will tell me that if we need to change meter per second into kilometer per hour, then what will happen? How we are able to do?
Ma'am, we will divide it by 1000.
And multiply by
60.
60.
why 60? Why 60? 3600 nahi? Because yes, but then it will be reverse. Suppose I am having 320. 320 meter per second मेरे पास है. And I need to change it into kilometer per hours. How will I do? Tell me. 320. What should I do? Multiply by 60. Multiply by 60 and divide by
1000.
1000.
1000.
Now
Now what
320
will be the
multiplied by 3600 divided by 1000.
Now this will be the answer. If you will be solving it, 32 into 36, 3 zeros will be cancelled. That will be the answer. So that's why I'm telling you, you need to pay much more attention that in which we need to change. Okay. So there is no hard and fast rule, children. Already we know that 320 किलोमीटर पर आवर, किलोमीटर से मीटर में अगर हमें जाना है तो 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया. सिंपली यू नो, बिकॉज फ्रॉम अ बिगर यूनिट यू आर मूविंग टू द स्लोअर वन, smaller one. Here also from hours you are moving to seconds. So that's why we had done this. And if you are going to do reverse, then in this way we are going to do. Tell me till here is it clear or some confusion is there? Then you can tell me.
Ma'am, can we multiply 320 with
Children, one more simplest way I am
3600
telling
and
you. Yes,
ma'am
yes.
3600 upon 1000? Ma'am,
Yes,
can
you
we
can-
multiply it?
One is the same thing, but that depends upon
Ma'am,
how
yes, it is same.
how fast calculation you. Let me tell you one thing. If we are moving from kilometer per hour to meter per second, you have to just multiply by 5 upon 18.
Ma'am, it is 18 upon 5.
When we are moving from kilometer to speed, I am talking about this.
Okay, ma'am.
If we have to move from kilometer to meter per second, okay, then we will multiplying by 15 by 18 डायरेक्टली. कोई भी आपके पास टर्म है, आप डायरेक्टली उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए 5 by 18 से. डन. एंड अनदर वन, अगर आप मीटर पर सेकंड से किलोमीटर पर आवर में जा रहे हैं, then what will you do? तब आपको किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है? Then you will be multiplying it by 18
18 upon 5.
by 5. If you can remember this. Leave this 1000 and 60 and 60. This is the easiest way and easily you can solve it. Any confusion till here?
No, ma'am.
So I will give you much of the questions so that you can practice it. And this you are going to use in your maths even, because you need to change the terms. That's why.
Simply we have to change the kilometer per hour to meter per second. We can simply multiply
Yes.
by 18.
Yes.
5 upon 18.
Yes, 5. You can do it. Do and try. Go for the first one, 320. Let's do it. Okay. 320. 320 multiply by 5. Multiply by 5 and divide by 18. Now give me the answer. Find the answer. Let's check whether it is same or not. Let's check it. Already we have done this. So Astik, you have solved this 320 multiplied by 1000 divided by. Now I want each one of you solve this. 320 multiply by 5 and divide by 18. Let's see what happens. Is it the same? Yes, Ananya, solve it. Hurry up. Anshika, Arav, Srajal, Dhavanya, Riyanshi, switch on your camera. Akmal, Anupriya, Athar. Can I have the answer?
Ma'am, I am telling the answer, ma'am, while right now I am calculating.
Okay, okay, continue. Riyanshi, switch on your camera, not able to see you. Anybody has done?
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, it is 320 multiplied by 5 upon 18.
Yes. Yes. First, you can cancel with 2. In the denominator, only 9 will be left. 160 into 5.
Ma'am, 800
160
by 9.
into 5 divide by 9. Now solve it. It's more easy. Are you able to do?
Please repeat the digit.
I'm not getting the
Ma'am,
same
it is
answer.
88 upon
Ma'am, yes,
88
88.888.
88.88.
Yes.
Answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
It
ma'am.
means
Yes,
that
ma'am,
answer is
it
wrong.
is 88.88.
Yes, ma'am. It means that answer is wrong. 53.3
No,
as
no,
it is not
something is.
matching.
Cases. This is your
Ma'am, 88.
88.8. And your units will be remaining same. That is meter per second. In this case
Ma'am, we
also.
can
the
also
unit.
check another one.
Yes, anything you can check. The formula will remain same. Now I hope you have understood that whenever we are moving from kilometer per hour to meter per second, then what will happen? We need to multiply by 5 by 18. And when we are moving from meter per second to kilometers, multiply by 18 by 5. So children, till here, I will give you few of the extra questions to change this from one unit to another.
Ma'am, so the correct answer is 88.8
Yes,
meter per
beta.
second.
Yes.